For the front-end assessment project, admin dashboard with role-based access control. For this project, I gave name as Money Happy. Name as it usually works like admin dashboard with all the admin, teacher, and student controls. For this project, I utilize the technologies like React.js and MongoDB, which is used for the database to save the user login details. So to start the project, so first we need to start the backend file. So for that, enter cd, go to the backend, and then if you are running the project in your new folder, so you need to install like git install git git int, and to start the project we need to install the npm packages. So within the folder I already installed the npm packages, so I will just run the project. So to run the project you need to npm start. Okay, as soon as the backend node starts, so okay, the project has been started. We need to run the front end part also. So click on the new terminal. So we need to go to the front end cd. We need to change the directory front end and start npm start again. So it automatically redirect to the Chrome with the localhost 3000. Okay, it says already it is connected to the MongoDB successfully. So run the MongoDB also. I have already run it. See, okay. So click on the new connection. If the other connections are working, just click on the new. Just save and connect. Okay. See, okay. For the database, I given the mm, database name as SM. So where all the details will be saved, like admin, if there are any complaints by the students, and the notices given by the admin, and any classes have been added, and students, subjects, teachers. So these all we can see when the front end has been started. So we can see like if the front end is started or not. Okay, so it is taking more time, less when we start the npm for the first time in our system. So it takes some time. So we will wait for it. Okay. So we can see here like one admin has been already created by me. So okay, see, Preeti is the admin user and the email of her and the password, and the role is like admin, and the school name is like ELC. Okay. So npm is starting. See here, we can see like usually takes more time when we start the npm for the first time in our project. So by that time I have already deployed this project in my dashboard. So you can see like I given the name as ERP dashboard, and these all the folders. So we can clone the project. We can clone the project all. So for that I have given some README files. Okay, see here. By using this, we can clone the. For this, we need to initialize Git, and to ignore the npm packages. So there are a lot of npm packages. It may take less more time. So for that, we have given the git more file, and to add all the project files at a time. So we need to install like git add. So we need to save by using git commit initialize commit. So in the initialize commit, we can give any name. so don't worry about it. So we need to push the project by using this git push origin main, and we need to change the origin of the project. So for that, git push dash u origin master. So we need to verify this on our GitHub also. Yeah, you can see as the page is being loaded. Okay. Okay. As we discussed the roles about like admin, student, teacher. So I given the title as like college management system, as all this functionality works under the college. Okay. Once you start, it won't take much of time. Okay. So as the deployment start, we can see here two messages. Like you can view the front end in the browser, the local host, and your network also. See by this, so control click, so we can see this page also. I don't know why it is taking much time. Started. Okay, so this is the home page of the project. Welcome to college management. So we will log in, or we will sign up as we are a new user. So I will give like myself Shiva. Shiva enter name, like school name is like NHS. Enter your mail ID, like I will give my mail ID as this one. So for the password, ad, okay, admin @ 123. So I will select as remember me, and I will register as admin. Okay. So this fee collection is by default. I have given the $23,000 only. So we can change in our code if it is necessary, or else we will use like the same. So just check whether it is okay. See, given Shiva and my email ID and the password and the role and the school NHS. Okay, we will see some functionalities which is used in our project. So see the home, classes, subjects, teachers, students. So these are we need to add. Okay, add class. So we'll add some class names. So create a class. Like I will create a class as like HTML only. Create a class. Okay. So when the class is added, we need to add our add students, and add the subjects. Student name we need to give, like I will give Shiva as a student. Our roll number is like 123. We need to give the password, as the student need to log in into his page. So it will be the same password, admin 123 at the rate. We will check the password if it is admin @ 123. Add. Okay, the student has been added. So we need to add some subjects in that file, like file heading. Subject code is like 111. How many sessions? Like there are 6 headings, so we'll give 6 sessions. Okay, add subject. So if we give another subject like block as a statement 112, we give like 4 sessions. So you can save. Okay, we can see like headings, 6 sessions. 6 sessions is nothing but 6 classes. Okay, we need to assign a teacher for that. Assign a teacher. Okay, so it will take us which class you want to add. Okay, okay. So teacher name. Teacher name is like Drona. Email ID, okay, Drona dot Shiva at the rate gmail.com. Enter the password. Same password we will use for all. Admin at the rate 123. These are the functionalities which are used by the admin. So we can create notices if any. If we will see, okay, there are no complaints, so we'll add some notice for the teacher and for the student. Okay, holiday. Second Saturday we'll write second SAT. Second Saturday. So we will give the date. Okay, we will give second Saturday as a 9. So add. Okay, done. So these are the functionalities created by the admin. So we'll log out. So we'll check. Okay, okay, login. So which login do you want to? So I want to access first teacher. Then we will go to the student. Okay, Drona dot Shiva at the rate 123. Click on login. Okay, see his classes and the teachers total classes taken. Okay, this test takens are by default I given the 24 and the total hours for by default I given 30 hours only. Okay, so class HTML. Okay, so we can give the attendance also. Okay, take attendance for the session one, present or absent. So today's date, today, submit. Okay, done. Okay, these are the functionalities given by the student. So he can give only the attendance and how many classes he has taken. So if any tests are given, so if any complaint, okay, there is no teacher complaint. Okay, we will check now the student. Okay, login student. This is here roll number like I think one given. His name is Shiva. Shiva. The password is admin. @ 123. Can click on remember. Okay, student details not found. Once we will check in the database, student login. Okay, what is student name? Okay, the roll number is like 123. 123. Okay. So total subjects we can give, total assessment is by default. So see, the notices is given to the student only. There is no by default for the teachers. So holiday is second Saturday. We can view in which date also. So what are his subjects? Okay, you are currently in HTML class because we haven't assigned any uh, other subjects, so we can see his attendance. Okay, the overall attendance 16%. Okay, right. So we can view the same thing in the chat also, right? For the heading class. So if any complaint is there, so we can give to the admin. So write content. So we'll assign like no teacher found what heading class, heading session. Okay, so we can add. Okay, done successfully. So this will view. So this thing will be view for the admin only. So we'll check once. So click on logout. Okay, log out. So you can check in the admin. Admin is like admin at grade 1, 2, 3. Login. Okay, check the like complaints, right? So just click on notices. Okay, this is complaints. Yeah, okay, see. The user is Shiva in the complaint. So no teacher is found. So we can give actions like we can, okay, done. It will be done. Okay, this is the overview of my project. In the database, you can see like the subjects. These are the subjects and the teachers.